Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AXGaming GeForce RTX 5070 Rebel lineup with new X2W model. So friend, AXGaming roll out the AXGaming Rebel GeForce RTX 5070 X2W 12GB model support a very busy shroud design, and the graphics card is inspired. Graffiti graphics are spread across the card of front face. This funky aesthetics is also present on the model's retail packaging. Interesting, the two cooling fans are adorned with a hand graphics and calculating a modern gamepad. Disappointingly, the manufacturer has not applied this loud patterning onto the X2W backplate. We are looking at the most wide landscape adorned with the same port of Rebel series emblem, and the GeForce RTX text and the AXGaming specification sheet indicate that their X2W SKU stick to NVIDIA reference specification. The manufacturer's Punk 4.0 cooling system continue. The manufacturer's Punk 4.0 cooling system consistent of two fans paired with a heatsink that feature 5 heat pipes. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.